This video is about the Nova Vibe Rolling Walker. I'm going to show you the very quick and easy assembly, the great features, and then how to use your Vibe Rolling Walker. All right, go ahead and get your walker out of the box, and you'll find the walker and also the backrest. Go ahead and unfold it and push this lever down to keep it unfolded, and then go ahead and insert the handles into the frame. They won't go all the way because the height adjustment knobs are there. So we keep them there for safekeeping. You're going to go ahead and unscrew the star adjustment knob. And I'm going to show you how to adjust the handle to your desired height. Go ahead and insert the handle, and I recommend adjusting the handle to your wrist. And that way you have a nice 30-degree bend in your elbow, and that's a good starting point. So with the start knob, go ahead and insert it to your desired height, and you are going to thread that knob all the way through to the other end, and then make sure that it is nice and tight. And you're going to adjust the other side to exactly the same height. Go ahead and unscrew the knob, adjust the handle, thread it all the way through to the other side. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go. Your handles are installed and adjusted. Now let's put on the backrest. So on your backrest, you will notice two brass buttons. They will face upward. Go ahead and insert the backrest. You're going to push down on those brass buttons as you're pushing in the backrest, and it will snap right in place. There you go. All right, let's go over the features of this Vibe. First, we have our handbrakes. They are so comfortable and easy to use. They come with this comfort molded hand grip, so it's going to fit so nicely on your hand. And then the brakes are so easy to use. You simply pull up on the lever to control the brakes, to control your speed, and to lock the handbrakes in a parked position. You simply push down on the lever, and now they are in a parked, locked position. And it's in this position that you can now use the seat. So my brakes are parked and locked, and now I can sit down and get comfy. And you want to make sure that your brakes always stay in this parked, locked position the entire time you are seated and when you're getting up. And then when you're ready to go, go ahead and release the brakes, and then you are ready to walk and roll. All right, it comes with a nice padded seat. If you lift up the seat, you'll see that there's great storage, and then there's a little pocket underneath the seat. And here we have our user's manual, our warranty, and also how to contact us. All right, to fold the Vibe, it's so easy. Go ahead and pull up on that bar, and then just fold so easily. And then to unfold it, you simply squeeze on the brakes and push outward. All right, there you go. That is the Vibe Rolling Walker, and we hope you enjoy it.